I'm super excited to talk to you about our app. I love helping people progress, but after a while of working with a client and building their confidence and knowledge, I noticed that they weren't getting the same value from me as they did in the beginning of their journey, because we'd already developed the tools they needed for sustainable results. With the client now having these skills, I realized that I needed a package where they could have access to the plans and the systems they needed to continue making progress on their journey without having the foundations that we'd built up together taken away. And that's when I got to work on building my app. The app is the perfect follow-on from your online coaching or PT, but at a fraction of the price. So if you're ready to take the reins and start managing your own journey, or if you've got a tighter budget but still want the systems and some guidance to ensure success, or for those that want to work through their journey at their own pace, or feel like the accountability of coaching just adds pressure and removes joy from the journey, then the app is the perfect solution for you. With the app, you'll get your very own fitness hub where you'll have access to training and nutrition plans. You'll be able to log a workout and follow along step by step, and the app will track all your data, so you'll be able to see what you did in the last session or what you've done and how you're progressing over time. So you can throw away that tatty logbook and have all the information you need in one place. You'll have a built-in rest timer that will track your rest period to your next set the minute you log your last set, and have access to hundreds of exercises in the exercise library, so you can swap exercises in to mix things up, or if a machine's out of order in the gym, or just find that handy stretch you need to release that tension. All your nutrition will be tracked inside the app also, and you'll have access to videos to explain what you're doing and why, so you can continue to grow your understanding and knowledge to maximize your results. There's new features being added into the app all the time, so you really are maximizing the value and benefit you're getting from it. If you think you could benefit from that service and want to know more, just send me a message and I'll be happy to answer any questions and get you set up. Thanks for listening, and I'll speak to you soon.